they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, feminine hygiene tips, important information you need to know. So before I get straight to the point, I know a lot of you viewers will be wondering, what hair are you wearing? Let me just talk about it just briefly. All the information about these hair extensions are in the description box down below, and it's Vietnamese virgin hair, the website, everything is there, and I also have a coupon code for you viewers, so check it out. So back to the title, feminine hygiene tips, important information you need to know as an adolescent and as a teenager. When you're growing up, some people do not know these tips, and I know I have a lot of young people on my YouTube channel that look up to me, and since I'm in my 30s, I taught, as I was growing up, the important tips that my grandmother and a few adults that I knew taught me. Why don't I share it on my platform? It could help someone. So the first tip, which is number one, is to shower. Shower. Viewers, shower at least twice a day, especially when you live in a hot, humid environment. When you live in countries that like Africa or Australia that is summer 24/7, make sure you shower at least twice a day. Some people some individuals naturally have this odor on them, and sometimes when they go close to people cannot breathe because they have an odor which is within them. That is something that they were born with, and there's nothing they can do about it. So in order to prevent sometimes we like to go out in the sun when we live in hot, conducive environments, play a lot, sweat a lot, and we tend to smell of sweat. And showering in the morning and showering at night is very vital as a woman, and I'm assuming as a man as well, but as a woman mainly, I can only speak on the sides of women, especially when you have a vajayjay. You have to shower at least twice a day, darling, because if you do not do it, you will smell. It's inevitable that you will not smell. You will definitely smell. So shower twice a day. It's very vital to shower twice a day. And please, not only for those that live in a hot, humid. If you live in a cold country like Europe or the States, please, or Canada, please shower at least twice a day. It just is very therapeutic for me to just take my shower twice a day. If you can't, just do it once a day. At least that is better than nothing. And don't be the type that comes from work and showers at night and goes to bed and wakes up the next day and puts on deodorant and perfume and just walk straight out of the house thinking that I showered at night, and because of that I'm okay for the day. Viewers, you are not. Just imagine if you brush your teeth, which I do twice a day, in the morning and at night, sometimes 3 times a day depending on what I eat during the day. If you brush your teeth at night and you wake up in the morning, are you going to tell me, viewers, that because you brush your teeth at night you feel better, your teeth is very clear, and your breath is smelling really refreshing when you wake up and you can just get up and go to work? It's the same as showering at night. So don't be that type that showers at night and wakes up the next day, puts on roll-on, because what you're going to do is to smell. Okay, number 2, shave. Make sure you shave once you hit that puberty, once you hit that adolescence, once you hit that teenage. We all know we start having pubic hair, we start growing hair in our armpit. Make sure you shave at least once a week if you want to prevent sweating both underneath and in your armpit. And what I do is I use Veet to shave, and when I finish I squeeze these lemons. The type of Veet that I use does not burn my skin, so when I apply the lemon on it, it does not irritate my skin. It feels like I haven't even shaved. So lemon brings, basically what lemon does is to prevent any odors out there. So if some people have this armpit smell naturally, when you use lemon, it helps you viewers. It helps prevent that odor, that smell that you've been having that everyone talks about. So this is a tip. And when you can also use lemon down there. I personally use it, but make sure you don't push the juice inside your vajayjay, you know what I mean, your V area. Don't push it in, just around it. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, especially when you put the lemon down there. When you wake up in the morning, it's very good to use lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Please do not buy the bottled ones. Fresh, cut a fresh lemon or lime, put it down there whilst you're brushing your teeth, whilst you're doing your facials, everything. Before you enter the shower, let that lemon juice marinate your vajayjay area and work its miracles. Before you get into the bath, for about 5 minutes, have a shower, and girl, you will not have any odor from down there or your armpit. And make sure you leave the lemon in your armpit the same time you leave it at your vajayjay. Lemon and the shaving is my second tip. Okay, so viewers, hope you viewers are taking note of what I'm saying. Thirdly, use Femme Fresh. Femme Fresh is better than using Dove soap. We all know the type of soaps that we use to wash. We cannot use those sort of soaps for our vajayjay area, your V area. I cannot pronounce the word on YouTube because YouTube is going to flag my video. Femme Fresh is made, it's an everyday care daily intimate wash, and it's got aloe vera, and it's got a pH balance that is dermatologically and gynecologically tested, soap free. So Femme Fresh is also a very good intimate wash. Do not use your normal soap like Dove or whatever you use. Please don't use Femme Fresh because it's soap free and is the right pH balance, plus it's got aloe vera. I will be doing a video V area with aloe vera. So this has got aloe vera in it and it has no soap. So this is the third tip. After you've shaved, after you've used the lime, everything, use this to wash. Last but not the least is my final and fourth tip, which is using panty liners. Using panty liners as a lady is very vital. You need to do it. This prevents that fishy smell, viewers. It prevents that fishy smell. Some girls wear panties, and once they take off their panties, especially when we women, we are ovulating, there is a smell. There's a natural smell that comes with ovulation, and we cannot stop that smell. So in order to stay refreshed and stay on top of the game and stay smelling good, all you need to do is all the steps I've taught you in this video, follow it. And last but not the least, use your panty liners. Panty liners stops the fishy smell. Panty liners are not pads. They are made very small to line the panty. This is your panty. It fits perfectly. Panty liners fits perfectly. So once you put it there, any discharge or yeast infection, some women have discharge on daily basis, others have yeast infection, any sort of juices that are coming out of that VJ area, this takes it. And throughout the day, if you're at work, what you can do is to put like a couple, about 2 or 3 in your handbag. After like 4 hours, change it. And you will notice that once you change it and you put on another one, it smells fresh again. But if you don't change it and the discharge goes straight into your panty, it gives, first of all, it stains the panty. Some women, when you take their panty, it just stains everywhere, even though the panty has been washed. And also it helps you smell fresh. Panty liners, once you just change it every 4 hours, whatever you remove from it, put it straight in the bin, put a new one. It helps you smell fresh. Okay, so hope you viewers did enjoy this video, and what I said in the video is much helpful. You can do your research on it. I am not a doctor, but I think me as a woman growing up and using all these methods has helped me not to have any funny smell on me, because most women, to be honest, even when you go out, sometimes you go to the ladies and people are just using the toilet, like the smell, it's not cool, viewers. Do not forget to basically share this video, like the video, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from, and stay blessed.